Okay, right now I have a 10-second on, 10-second off repeat for 60. I'm gonna show you how to set that with the remote. I'm just letting the clock count. So you can see it will just keep going back 10 seconds. That's the rest period. 10 seconds is the work period. So I got 10 on, 10 off, 10 on, 10 off. And I have to set the repeat for 60 times. I'm gonna hit the stop button. Good. Now, if you want to set this, you're going to go to number 1, which is work, also work. So you're going to hit work, and then you're going to hit the set button, which is down here, the S button, set. And if you want 5 seconds, you can do 0, 5. And then you have to hit set again. Now it should lock. If it's still flashing, it hasn't set. Now it's locked. So the set is ready. Now you're going to go, you don't want to repeat yet. You're going to do work ratio, which is the number 3 button. I'm sorry, the rest ratio. And let's do a 10-second rest. It's already there, but I'm going to hit set. 0, 1, 1, make sure it shows you the 1, 0, and then hit set. Set, when it stops flashing, it's set. And then if you want to repeat should be already set at 60, but if you want to set it, you just do the same thing. Repeat, set, 0, 6, 0, set. It should stop flashing. You're all set to go. Then you just hit the start stop button, and it will start counting for you. And you can see the work ratio is 5 seconds. And then the rest should be 5 seconds. But we don't want a 5-5. I just did that so that it would quickly show on the clock. What you actually want to set in class is an EMOM, which stands for every minute on the minute. So you're going to hit work, which is the number 1 button, set. It'll flash. Oh, that's on the repeat. I don't know why it's repeating. Just hit set. Work. Yeah, H1, set. Now it's flashing. Hit 0. Oh, there we go. 1, 1, 0, 0. Set. There's your 1 minute. Rest. For the rest, we're going to do set at 5 seconds. You can just hit 5, 0, I believe. Yeah, just hit 5, set. It'll be a 5-second rest. And then repeat. Set, 6, I don't know why that put 3, 6, oh, because the 3 was already there. You got 3,600 times. Set, let's do repeat again. There we go, set, repeat, set, 0, 6, 6, 0, set. There you go. Now, if you hit the start stop button, this should count for a minute and repeat with the 5-second rest. Here's the first round. So to tell you how many rounds you've done, round 1 is in blue. So we're going to have an EMOM and an E2 mom, so every 2 minutes on the minute. So then you would just set it for the 2-minute ratio. Go. 5-second rest. Or maybe I did a 10-second rest. Not sure why it's doing that. Let's stop it and see what the rest ratio looks like. So work, 1 minute, rest. Oh, the rest is at 36 minutes. So let's set that. Oops, that must be the mistake I made earlier when it did 36. So you're gonna set that to 0, 1, 0, set. The repeat should be 60, which it is. And then we'll hit start, try it again. Now it should be on 1 minute with a 5-second rest interval. And before class starts, you wanna make sure you have this set properly, because you can see this remote is a little finicky and hard to work with. Sometimes the batteries aren't completely working or it doesn't get full signal. and I have to hit the button a few times to get it. But again, when you're setting it, you'll see that it'll flash, it's ready to set. When you hit the set button the second time, it should stop flashing. Then you know it's set. In terms of where this is located in the gym, there's the weight stack, the door entrance, Coach Johnson's desk. There we go, now you're on round 2. And you're probably not going to use the full 60 rounds. So just when they're done with their workouts, just hit the stop button so you don't have to listen to it beeping all the time. The blue button is the start stop.